Entertaining is easy in this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with a view of the lake. This one-of-a-kind home offers peaceful and serene water views. Host your friends while cooking in the sumptuous kitchen and then retire to the large, screened lanai. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac. This home boasts planked tile throughout, tray ceilings in the great room and master suite. The kitchen is a chef's delight with quartz countertops, plenty of extra cabinets, beautiful stainless appliances, and the laundry room offers a laundry sink cabinet and plenty of space to create a great working spot. If you need extra space, this home has a 3-car garage for extra toys and perhaps a workout area. The location is perfect for a convenient access to I-95, and it is centrally located for shopping. The white sandy beaches are a quick 13 minutes away, and historic downtown St Augustine is only 20 minutes north. The backyard is fully fenced, allowing a place for family or pets. The owners have Wi-Fi thermostat.